Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If Microsoft Teams is displaying the generic "We've run into an issue" error screen, it usually means the background rendering engine has crashed or your local cache is corrupted. I will show you exactly how to clear this out and get the app running smoothly right now. Let's get started. First, we need to completely kill the application because clicking the restart button on that error screen often leaves broken processes running in the background. Right-click on an empty space on your Windows taskbar and select Task Manager. Navigate to the Processes tab, scroll down until you find any active entries named Microsoft Teams or Teams, right-click them, and select End Task. This ensures the software is fully shut down before we attempt any repairs. Next, we must clear the temporary local data that is likely triggering this crash. Press your Windows key, type Installed Apps, and press Enter to open your system settings. Locate Microsoft Teams in the list. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section and click Repair, followed by the Reset button to safely wipe the bad data. Keep in mind that if you are using the older, classic version of Teams, this menu will not work, and you will instead need to open your Run dialog to manually delete the contents inside the %appdata%\Microsoft\Teams folder. Finally, because the modern Teams interface heavily relies on web components to load, a corrupted rendering engine will frequently cause these generic crash screens. Go back to your Installed Apps menu, search for WebView2, and find the Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime. Click the three dots next to it, select Modify, and when the setup prompt appears on your screen, click Repair. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet so the installer can fetch and replace any broken framework files directly from Microsoft. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.